You like it number 2 special. Size say all you can eat, not you eat all, you go now.
Me love
you go now. You go now. I'm just saying. At this time, I want you all to scream and make some noise for the incomparable Miss Hurricane Summer!
I said, oh my God, Ernie, look at me. I'm approaching the age of 93. My face has more lines than Disney World. My bosoms have gone so far south, they're speaking Spanish. And my chest has fallen and it can't get up. Say something positive to cheer me up. Well, said Ernie, there's nothing wrong with your eyesight. It's honey. I'll never forget, you know, I was brown bagging into my girlfriend the other night. We were sitting on a park bench, sharing a tuna fish sandwich. All of a sudden, out of nowhere, a man comes and stands in front of us, opens his trench coat, and flashes us. Clementine immediately had a stroke. Unfortunately, my hand couldn't reach that far. It's tiny. I'll never forget, you know. I was downtown shopping with my girlfriend Clementine, and the salesman invited her into the changing room for a quickie. Without batting an eyelash, Clementine said, why don't we make it a Yankee? The salesman was flummoxed. He says, what's a Yankee? Oh, says Clementine, it's just like a quickie, but you're doing yourself. It's tiny. I'll never forget, you know, my boyfriend Ernie was away on retreat, searching for me as a child, when I discovered I was in need of physical attention. So I rushed on down to the Saints Be Praised nursing home, where I can still turn my head on too. Sure enough, there was old Mr. Cornfeld. He said to me, Soph, tonight's the night we have relations. Well, we were laying in bed afterwards, basking in the afterglow and sharing a pell-mell. He said to me, Soph, if I had known you were a virgin, I would have been so much more gentle with you. And I said, well, if I had known you could still get it up, I would have taken off my pantyhose. this club. She sashayed up to a big scary-looking guy and said, young man, I would like to join your organization. Don't be silly, old lady, he said. We're the toughest gang in the whole state, and you can't join unless you drink. Oh, no problem, says Clementine. I knock back 8 or 10 shots every night after playing pool with the boys. You gotta smoke, too, says the biker. Oh, says Clementine, does marijuana count? Because I burn 2 or 3 doobies every night after playing pool with the boys. Well, now I'm starting to get a little anxious. Beads of sweat are forming under that mustache. He says, you don't get it, old lady. We're the toughest gang in the whole state. Most of us have been in jail. Have you ever been picked up by the fuzz? No, says Clementine. But I've been swung around by the tits a few times. I'll never forget it, you know. My boyfriend Ernie said to me, Soph, if you can learn to cook, we can fire the chef. I said, Ernie, if you can learn to fuck, we can fire the chauffeur. Chihuahua puddles with my girlfriend Clementine and her government picture. We came to a bar and Clementine said, oh, let's go in for a picnic. I said, Clementine, we cannot go into a bar with these goddamn dogs. She said, don't be such a stick in the mud. Follow my lead. And she put on a pair of dark glasses and she and the government picture walked into the bar. The bouncer stopped her. He said, sorry, there ain't no dogs allowed. She said, you don't understand. This is my seeing eye dog. The bouncer was stunned. He said, a Doberman picture? Yes, says Clementine. They use him now and then very quickly let her in. So I figured, what the hell? I put on the dark glasses. I got the Chihuahua by the leash. I walk into the bar. The bouncer stops me. He says, sorry, there ain't no dogs allowed. I said, you don't understand. This is my seeing eye dog. The bouncer was stunned. He said, a Chihuahua? I said, they gave me a fucking Chihuahua?